Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled Data Wrangling, Cleaning and Preparing Data for Your AI Models. Imagine you're baking a cake. You wouldn't just throw random ingredients together, right? Data wrangling is like preparing your ingredients, cleaning, sorting, and getting them ready for your AI recipe. Your AI model. It's crucial for building accurate and reliable AI systems from a developer's perspective. This means ensuring your data is in the correct format and structure for your chosen AI library or framework. Let's say your cake recipe is missing the amount of sugar. You'd need to figure out how much to add, right? Missing data in your dataset is similar. We can fill in the gaps using methods like replacing missing values with the average or removing entries with missing data. As developers, we need to choose appropriate strategies depending on the type and amount of missing data and consider the impact on the AI model's accuracy. Imagine accidentally adding a whole bag of flour to your cake batter. Outliers or unusual or extreme values in your data. These can skew your AI model's results. We can handle them by removing them, transforming them, or using AI models that are less sensitive to outliers. From a development standpoint, detecting and addressing these outliers requires careful data analysis and often involves statistical methods. Sometimes, your ingredients need to be changed before baking, like chopping vegetables or melting butter. Data transformation is similar. We might need to convert data types, like changing text to numbers, scaled data, making everything within a similar range, or create new features from existing ones. In code, this could involve using libraries like pandas or scikit-learn. Imagine finding a rotten egg in your cake ingredients. You'd throw it away. Data cleaning involves removing incorrect, duplicate, or inconsistent data. This includes dealing with typos, inconsistent formats, like dates written in different ways, and removing unnecessary or irrelevant information. Developers need to implement robust checks and cleaning procedures during data ingestion and pre-processing. You might combine different ingredients to create a new flavor profile. That's feature engineering. It involves creating new features or variables from existing ones to improve your AI models' performance. This is where developer intuition and domain knowledge come in handy. It's about creating features that are highly relevant to predicting the outcome. Before baking, you double-check your ingredients list. You do the same with your data. Data validation ensures your data is accurate and consistent. This involves setting up checks to detect errors, using data validation tools, and ensuring your data conforms to a specified schema. Writing efficient validation scripts is a core developer skill here. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.